All right, so Dean and I took a little break. Dean caught quite a few fish this morning. I caught two. Caught a little dink and then a decent sized one that was fresh out of the lake. Pretty happy with that one, 21 inches. That's probably the biggest trout that I have ever caught. So that would be my personal best trout, 21 inches. And Dean is convinced I'm gonna catch bigger fish. So we're gonna get after it. Dean caught what do you think, like 10 fish?
Yeah.
Easy, right?
10 good ones.
10 good ones today. And these fish are just beautiful. I don't know if the camera's gonna do it justice, but the iridescent red stripe that runs through the body of these fish is just gorgeous. So I'm pretty stoked to be out here this evening, and we're gonna give it another go. And yeah, here we go. Dean is on him again. Okay. So it's silvery, but doesn't have all the stuff on it?
Yeah, it's still pretty.
Yeah.
But not, you know.
Not the river color?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah. It's a nice fish, Dean.
So yeah, silver. That's right at 4 pounds.
Oh, wow.
Try to net it. Netting's half the problem, you know? Especially if they can get that trouble.
Oh.
No,
That's your 30-incher, huh?
I don't think so. Well, the thing is it's the way it's hooked. You gotta make sure we play it smart. Because I don't have a huge net. No. Yeah. Probably a 7-pounder. Thanks, brother.
That's awesome, man. And that's a nice looking fish, too.
Well, looking.
Your line just snapped right now?
Yeah. Alright. I hooked it with its mouth closed.
That's a nice fish, dude. Dean is doing work today. Look at this. Look at that fish. Let me get my camera. Wow, that's a nice fish.
Look how dark its fins are. See, this one still has a couple of sores, but it's almost done, you know? Like it's all getting that rosy color.
The sores are coming off.
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, and it's hard to, it shouldn't say sores, the copepods.
Copepods.
They're like a lice. They're a,
right.
they're a bug. You know?
Got a little fish. Dude, this isn't even a trout. Perch. A little perch. So today I've caught two species. Perch and some redband trout. Hey everybody, it's Chris with That Was With Chris, and this is day 2 on the Williamson River with my buddy Dean. Dean was kind enough to catch a shit ton of fish yesterday.
You got the Grand Slam though.
Yeah, I got the Grand Slam. I caught the Yellow Perch and the Redband Trout. Both firsts for me. So yeah, we're looking forward to getting out on this river. It looks beautiful today. It's a little chilly because it was a clear night, but should be good fishing. I feel more confident today in my ability to catch fish.
Yes. Yeah.
Because I feel like I know what I was doing wrong yesterday when we floated this section.
Getting practice. Learning something new. Just being able to feel confident floating down some of these rapids was a nice feeling. So I'm glad I got the feel-free lure. That's a solid kayak, and we're gonna get fishing. Got one. Hey. Yeah. Oh my gosh, she's pretty. Wow. Yeah, buddy. Woo! That's awesome. 20 inches? That's a pretty one.
Yeah, dude. Oh my goodness. So pretty, dude.
Yeah.
Oh. Since it's a pretty one,
Yeah.
can you take a picture? Yeah. You're awesome, man. I almost screwed up the landing because the hook got...
I was gonna say the net.
Yeah, the net's too small.
Trap.
My net's too small too. Ooh.
There you go.
Thank you, man.
For sure.
Oh. Gosh. That is so awesome. Okay. Get out of here. Yeah. Thank you, dude.
There you go.
Gorgeous up here. That's so fun. Woo! Close! Oh my gosh, that thing is huge. He's just shadowing my boat, dude. What you got there?
Oh no.
Got a little red band? Yeah. Oh, that's a nice fish, man. Yeah. Good colors or?
Yeah, it's still pretty clean though. All the cocoa pods are off it now. So, not the root beer color.
Right.
But yeah, you know. Pretty good fish.
There he goes. Got one.
Oh, yeah?
Little guy. Tiny. Oh. He's off.
That's the perfect time.
Yeah. All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap it up for Dean and I. Just want to say huge thank you.
Yeah, man, for sure.
Dean is, I don't know how to put this. He's kind of like the Redband Trout whisperer to me. I put in a lot of hard work. I caught 2 nice fish. The one today was just gorgeous.
Yeah.
But this guy just makes it look easy. And it gives me an appreciation for people who really put in time, study their fisheries, get to know the fish that they fish for and the areas they fish. And Dean's one of those guys who's just, I mean, you know this section of the Williamson like the back of your hand pretty much, right?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, so just kind of gives me inspiration to get to know some of my local fisheries better and to also hook up with guys like Dean to learn more about other fisheries. So huge shout out to Dean. Check him out on Instagram. Make sure you check him out on YouTube.
Yep.
He's got some really cool underwater footage of the fish he's catching. And then if you're from this region or you fish here a lot and you're a kayak fisherman, check out
Klamath Basin Kayak Fishing, and that's a YouTube channel. And then we also have a Facebook group. Probably thinking about maybe running some sort of kayak fishing tournament probably around June or July of next year.
All right, so stay tuned. Dean's got some really exciting stuff, you know, that he's thinking up and working with other people in the local area to do. So follow this guy, follow him on Instagram just to see the awesome fish pictures he's posting. And I've seen it firsthand. He's not just an, you know, Instagram fish guy, you know what I mean? He's legit. The stuff is, you know, the stuff you're doing out here is pretty cool.
Awesome.
So
Thanks.
all right, if you like what you see, please click thumbs up button and subscribe. And as always, take care.